Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Tribe beauty box. I just got it in the mail, so I've slid it and I'm ready to open it and share what the October box, I had to think what month it was, I can't believe it's already October, is like. This is what it looks like when you open it. There is a card that says everything that is in the box. And then let's just get into it. So the first thing in here is from Masquerade, which I know I've had some of their sheet masks before and they're pretty good. This is a Let's Face It Purifying Cleansing Stick with red beet. I forgot scissors, so hang on. So this is what it looks like inside. It's a fairly good size. It looks like it is 1.76 ounces. Wow. It smells pretty good. It looks kind of weird though, so that will be good. This is actually something really great for traveling because you can bring a cleanser in your carry-on really easily, or you can stick it in your checked baggage and you don't have to worry about it breaking. So I'm excited about that. That's actually pretty good. I like the Tarte friction stick. I've never purchased one because I have so many cleansers already. That retails for $21. And then we have a makeup eraser mini, and I've gotten a sample of a makeup eraser before, but it was just a piece of a cloth. It was really pathetic. But this one looks like it actually has some girth to it and it's not going to fall apart because it has a seam all the way around it. I'm not going to open this though because I don't think I will probably use it because I really like my routine that I have down already. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. This retails for $12. And the next thing in here is from The Balm. It is the Meet Match Maker. And I've heard about these palettes. I have not tried any of these palettes from The Balm before. So this is what it looks like. Mainly because all the previous ones have been just matte, and I'm not an all matte fan. I actually was looking at something today and I was like, meh. Oh, it was my Kat Von D palette. And I was like, they're all mattes. I don't want to use this because of that. So here I've swatched 3 of them. I swatched Rose Snyder, Kate Shahavar. I have no idea how to pronounce those names. And then up here on the top, Matte Limos. So they do have a bit of fallout in them, but that is what they look like. I always seem to forget to grab makeup remover wipes. The next thing in here is from Moda brushes. I've gotten some Modas in the past and I've really quite liked them. I think they are for sale at Walmart. They're by Royal and Langnickel. Let's see if I can get this open. I think we've gotten them in Ipsy in the past and maybe BoxyCharm. I don't think they've been in Glossy Box, but this is 2 brushes. The first one is an MD eye shader, which looks like a very useful brush, one that I will use a lot, and I like the shade. They also have like that slightly rubbery texture to them, which is nice. Although the one I have, this part all peeled off and it was just like shiny metal underneath. And then this one is a crease and a smudge, so it is a dual-sided, which is kind of cool because I guess you could smudge out under your eye, but also it's a nice crease brush. I will never turn down brushes, so I'm excited about those. And it looks like we got another brush in here as well. Oh, and those retail, I forgot to say what the retail was. The palette is $29.50 and the brushes are $7.99. Oh, that's a really good deal. I need to go to Walmart and like look through the brushes. Not really, but like that sounds like a good idea for some reason. Then we have a crown brush. This seems familiar. I feel like I have one maybe in a different color, like that's this size and shade. It retails for $12. It's a nice blush brush. It's actually like the type of blush brush that I have really started liking right now, so that's exciting. And then finally in here is from Bella Pierre. It is the Ombre Kiss Proof Slay. Let's see. It's another one that we got to slice open. And I apologize that I'm not as bright as usual. The sun has decided to go behind a cloud. Yeah, we've been having a lot of like just cloudy, lucky weather. Nothing like that bad, but just enough to make it annoying. So there are 2 lipsticks and a lip liner in here. We'll swatch the lip liner first. That is a bright red. And then we'll do the lighter of the 2. Let's see what, it has a pretty nice scent to it. Slightly chemically, but like a sweet chemical. That's a really pretty color, actually. I like that. And then this one, the darker one, we'll swatch it too. Oh, actually, that's not too bad. I thought it was going to be more brownish, but it's not. That's a pretty color. All right, Tribe, I think you did pretty good this month. I was on the fence. I actually was planning to cancel this. I was waiting for a second spoiler, and then I forgot that they charge you on the 15th of the month before. So you have to cancel before September 15th or November 15th now, because that's how they go, which is kind of sneaky, but it makes it a lot harder to cancel when you forget. So I think this is a pretty good box. I would love to hear what you guys think about this. Do you think it was a good box? Was it not? Did you get Tribe? Are you tempted by this box or not? Let me know down below. I love reading your comments. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I can't wait to read your comments, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.